Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give.
You know how we get it, you know how we do it, it's a spluh. We ain't playing no games, it's a spluh. We ain't playing out here, it's a spluh. We ain't playing no games, yeah. You know how we get it, you know how we do it, it's a spluh.
So guys, I just finished doing my lashes. I love how they're looking. They look natural, and my nails. So right now I think I'm going to find something to drink and head back to school. Yeah, so I'll see you guys. Bye.
Ooh, that sugar sweet, you got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat, tested by the potion, loving this devotion.
Hi guys, I haven't seen you guys in a long time. Today is Saturday. I think the last time I vlogged was Wednesday or Thursday, I'm not sure. Yeah, Wednesday, I think it was Wednesday. But yeah, right now I'm going out. I'm going to Dashimen. It's just some like shop area near school, and I'm going to look for a cable to transfer some stuff from the camera to the laptop so that I start editing the video I was shooting yesterday. So yeah, I'm taking you guys along with me, and yeah, bye. So this is my outfit today. Just simple. I love how comfortable these bottoms are, and just this top. I think you guys saw it in the vlog. I like wearing it just alone. I don't like the bottoms very much, and some forces. Yeah.
With me, I'm looking forward to my days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to my days like this. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Hey guys, so I just got back from where I went. I managed to buy a cable, and I also bought a charger for my phone. My phone has been giving me problems. I don't have a proper charger. So right now I'm just going to transfer the videos on the camera to the PC and start editing. Hey guys, welcome back. I haven't seen you guys in a long time. Today is Thursday. I don't even remember the last time I talked to you guys, but I've been having some challenges with my phone, so that's why I haven't been recording. My phone audio is messed up, my mouthpiece is messed up, so anything related to audio, like videos, I can record a video but it won't have sound. I can't send a VN. Everything's just messed up right now. So yeah, I tried taking it for repair, but the man who repairs phones in school is not around, and the man outside is kind of expensive, so I need the money. So right now I'm about to shoot a reel for my Instagram. I feel I haven't done anything for my Instagram lately. I've been on a hold, so let's keep the Instagram moving, eh? So right now let me just shoot my reel, and yeah, stay tuned.
Like I'm Nino, wish you very conscious.
Hi guys, I think the last time I saw you guys was like last week. That's because my phone has been giving me some issues. I can't record anything with audio. I can't record a VN. I can't call. I can't record a video. Yeah, so right now I'm on my way to my first dance class. Yeah, so I hope all goes well, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, so fingers crossed.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for every.
I'm so nervous because like I don't know how I get. It's like I get so awkward around people, especially if I'm meeting them for the first time. So I don't know how this dance class is going to go. Yeah, and for the fact that it's just going to have Chinese people, and I think I'm going to be the only black person. So yeah. I don't know if you guys ever feel like that, like you just feel so anxious and weird around people. Comment down below. Yeah, so we're almost there. I'm hungry.
Then dip me underway.
I'm tired. Oh my god.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now.